everyone, we have learned almost everything we need for NCEA standard. Today we are going to do some recap and practice with the previous exam questions. Now let's summarize it up first. If you have the function y equal fx equal x squared plus 2x, for example, when it is moved up n units, you have to add n to the right side equation, which you have y equal x squared plus 2x plus n. Remember, x squared plus 2x here is from the original one. If it moved down n units, you take away from the right side equation, and you would have x squared plus 2x, take away n, and again x squared plus 2x here is from the original one. When it moved to the left n units, you substitute x with x plus n. Substitute x with x plus n. Then you would have y equal x plus n. It used to be x plus 2 times x plus n. It used to be 2 times x. And similarly, if you move to the right n units, you substitute x with x take away n, and you would have x take away n all the square. Remember, it used to be x here, okay? And it used to be x here too. When it's reflected in x-axis, you put a negative sign in front of the right side equation. And that's what you have. You remember, put a negative sign in front of the whole right side equation. You would have y equal negative of x squared plus 2x. Reflected in the y-axis, you substitute x with minus x. Whenever you see x, you put minus x. Then you would have y equal minus x, all of it squared, plus 2 times minus x. Then you have x squared take away 2x. Remember, simplify. Now look at the question 1, the exam paper 2019. They ask you to find the equation of this parabola, which I assume that you already did it. Y equal x times x plus 4. Now write the graph. It is moved to the left 3 units, move down 4 units, and reflected in the x-axis. Remember, you follow the steps. What is said first is done first. So don't mess it up. You have to move to the right first, move to the left first, and then move down and reflect. Okay? So if you this equation you've already got, move to the left 3 units. When you move to the left, you substitute x with x plus. Then this time you substitute x with x plus 3. I would write it down here. Then remember, x will be substituted with x plus 3. Okay? You have y equal x here will become x plus 3. And x here will become x plus 3 as well. And don't forget the 4. Then you simplify it. It will be easier. Equal x plus 3 times x plus 7. Now 4 units down. 4 units down, so you take away 4 from the right side equation. Take away 4, you mean this, I would write, take away 4, okay? Then what you have here, you have y equal this one, take away 4, not the original one. Okay, the one from the step 1 will be take away 4. So x plus 3 times x plus 7 and take away 4. And I suggest you do simplification here, which give you x squared plus 7x plus 3x plus 21 and take away 4. And again, you still have simplified to the end. X squared gone, you have a 10x, and you have 17 here. Okay. Now reflected in the x-axis. Reflected in the x-axis, you put negative sign in front of the right side equation. So you put negative side in the whole lot here, which give you y equal negative. Okay, and everything here move down. X squared plus 10x plus 17. You can expand the bracket. I suggest you expand the bracket. So that is your final answer. Again, you got to follow the steps. What is asked first has to be done first. So that don't move things around, don't reflect it first and then move down or to the left or to the right. You got to follow what they tell you. Okay. So you move to another question. I think it's year 2018. 2018. And it's question 2. They already gave you the equation y equal to x plus 1. And what did they ask? Write the graph if this one is moved 3 units to the right. 3 units to the right. And 4 units up. Right. When you move 3 units to the right, what you got to do? You take away 3, okay, from x. It means that you substitute x with x take away 3. So I write here, then remember x will be replaced by x take away 3. Okay, now you got to do it. Y equal to x here will be replaced by x take away 3. And please don't forget the number 1 here. Simplified, you have y equal 2 to the power of x take away 2. Next step, 4 units up. When it's moved up 4 units, you simply just add 4 to the right side equation. I mean this one. Okay? So you have y equal 2 times 2 to the power of x take away 2 and plus 4. And that is your final answer. Okay? I hope you are an expert now with graph transformation. And any question, just pop it up.